Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll explore setting up a VAT account in the VAT accounting software. VAT, or value-added tax, is a common tax in many countries, and it's crucial for accounting software to handle it efficiently. Let's delve into the process of setting up VAT. Firstly, navigate to the Settings option on the left side of your software interface. Scroll down to find it. Once in Settings, you'll see various tabs, but for now, let's focus solely on the Chart of Accounts tab. Click on it. The Chart of Accounts is divided into two main sections, one for the profit and loss statement, on the right side of the interface, and one for the balance sheet, in the middle. Understanding this division is vital because the account we're about to create, being a liability, belongs on the balance sheet. To create the VAT account, click on the New Account button. A form will appear, where you'll fill in the necessary details. In the Name field, enter VAT. In the Group field, select Liability, since VAT is a liability. Once everything is filled out, hit the Create button to save the account. Now, on to the next step. Again, navigate to the Settings, but this time look for the Tax Codes option. Click on it. Then, select New Tax Code. In the Name field, type VAT. Determine the VAT rate applicable, let's say 20% for this example, and allocate it to the VAT account you created earlier in the Chart of Accounts. It's crucial to understand that you can't create a tax code without first creating an account because the tax code needs to be linked to a specific account. Once all details are filled, hit Create to save the information. That's it. You've successfully set up your VAT. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to handle transactions that include VAT. Thank you, and see you next time.